directed Mr. Day to collect report, my lord. In the meanwhile, my lord, give this, my lord, because in my writ petition, my lord, various things, my lord, and this is although crave leave is paid for the voice.
Drive.
Yes, my lord. I in the writ petition I stated, my lord, I want CBI because in writ petition I crave leave it, my lord, the voice. Because of that, my lord, in this matter, the private respondent is an MP, my lord.
Is the CBI inquiring the matter?
My lord, CBI inquired in others matter, my lord, SSC's matter, my lord, SSC and primary matter, my lord. The similar things happen in this case also, my lord, in throughout the state, my lord. A job selling racket is going on. And this job selling racket, not only that, my lord, in the earlier occasion, one of the victim, my lord, filed a writ petition. Kindly see the order, my lord. And after getting the money, he compelled to withdraw the writ petition, my lord.
17th of May.
Lord, kindly see the order.
Yes, I have this copy.
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, a person who is a whistleblower, my lord, he filed this instant writ petition. My learned friend, my lord, last occasion referred to citation, and that have no application at all, my lord. Because why I say so, my lord, is that two judgment, my lord. One is 2001 4 SCC 734, and another one is 2013 4 SCC 465. That too, one is one advocate filed it. That is that no application, because this is a public employment, my lord, and public employment selling market is throughout the country.
What is your prayer?
My prayer is CBI investigation. The same investigation already. I want to refer the voice to the CBI. Let CBI inquire in the matter. One thing. Second thing is that, my lord, this writ petition is very much maintainable. Why I say so? Because of that, in this two judgment, my lord, there is no such things about this type of situation. My lord, is that is well aware the fact that if fact is different, then the situation is completely different. Not only that, my lord, in these two judgment, my lord, the Whistleblower Protection Act is also not, my lord, referred. My lord is well about the fact that, my lord, if that is covered under the Whistleblower Protection Act, my lord, if my lord is dismiss this writ petition, suppose, my lord, for argument's sake, then, my lord, it is also barred there also, because under section 6, my lord, there is a specific bar. If that is barred, my lord. Suppose, my lord, if my lord drop this writ petition, dismiss this writ petition, then I could be no here, my lord. Although this is happened, my lord. I want the investigation, what is happening throughout the state, my lord. That's my whole endeavor.
Is objecting, the private respondent is objecting.
Yes, my lord. Private, because he don't say this is not happened. He's just objecting writ petition is not maintainable. That is the only objection.
I don't think I have argued.
Is the police inquiring over the issue?
CBI
State police is the state police inquiring? Any complaint lodged before the police?
Yes, my lord. I made the complaint, which is annexed with my writ.
Anybody appearing for the state?
Petitioner has made a complaint, that is this page 25.
Yes, my lord.
Central Bureau of Investigation, and as per your lordship direction, we have inquired it, and this is the report we have submitted.
You have already inquired?
Yes.
It was investigated by the CBI, and nothing has been found on merit.
My lord, that's why, my lord, I don't know whether they, my lord, inquired about the link which I stated in my writ petition or not, my lord. That's why, my lord,
There is a link.
Yes, I stated in my writ petition, my lord.
We have inquired only about the link.
Only about the link.
Substantial
The
Yes.
link has been
My lord,
inquired into.
that's why I, my lord, handed over this, my lord. I don't know whether they inquired in this in this matter or not, my lord. That's why I handed over
The
to
pen drive.
the pen drive, my lord. Let's in the pen drive, they inquired it, my lord, where I stated it, my lord, because crave leave is there, my lord. So, my lord, if after that, my lord, they filed the report. Nothing else.
Like somebody is just, with greatest respect, my lord, I'm number 6. This whole target is on me. Whatever
Who
it
is 6? 6 is the MP.
Yes,
All right.
and there was nothing as such. And this person who's coming before your lordship, if your lordship sees one paragraph whereby he draws locus towards himself, that is in page 5, para 5. If people start drawing locus like this, your lordship would have a look once.
Page.
Page 5, para 5. This is his locus. And your lordship was magnanimous enough at least to ask for a report. They've investigated. I do not know what has happened because I don't have a copy of the report. But the fact is that he's a no one. He's just wanting this with greatest respect, possibly for something which is not definitely on record. Because this matter is being investigated by CBI. It is being extensively investigated, my lord. There were plethora of judgments passed in connection with this case. My lord, your lordship could see the first order which was passed, if your lordship so desires. না রে আমাদের এর অর্ডারটা জাস্টিস অভিজিৎ গঙ্গোপাধ্যায়ের অর্ডারটা
No, they are with the education scams.
this is all that they are saying.
This is with regard to a particular telephonic conversation which took place.
Regarding that only.
No, that is going on. I'm aware of it.
Yes, and not only that, whoever was involved, every person, your lordship is also aware that every person who's involved is being called in. Now, he filed this writ petition. Your lordship asked a question whether police was served. The answer is no. He's directly approached the CBI. He's given the link. He's given every possible material because over everything is stated over here. Post investigation, I believe, my lord, it's been found. So, if a busybody who's actually a no one, barred by laws in terms of Supreme Court judgment, your lordship, again, I say, was magnanimous enough to possibly ask for a report. The report does not disclose. Now he wants further, based on no locus, where the real persons are not here. If the real persons were here, my lord, I would have still understood. He's espousing somebody's cause. The cause is not known because I believe the inquiry was made with regards to those persons only. Your lordship would have a look at the writ petition. It actually does not contain anything. This is nothing but possibly gaining some amount of either sympathy or publicity. I wouldn't know, my lord. I wouldn't like to put words into the mouth of the court, but this is definitely something which was investigated, has been investigated.
I don't think I can proceed further. Please come.
My lord, only one thing, my lord. My lord, only one thing, my lord.
Yes.
Page 7, the URL.
My lord, only one thing is that, my lord, what my learned friend says that he have no locus.
Hmm.
My lord,
My lord,
before he submits, my lord, just page 7, right in between. The URL which he's referring to is there. Something which is coming in pen drive is not required because he refers to the URL.
Yes, it's the URL. That is
That
the
is
reason
not
there
what
is no
it is.
requirement of the video, the voice recording or anything, nothing, because URL is given.
He's given the URL.
my lord, I give the URL once. In next paragraph, my lord, I stated, my lord, various TV medias, my lord, reporting, my lord. That very next
All these
paragraph.
reportings
Only
are-
one thing. I just submitted only one thing, my lord, nothing else, my lord. One law, my lord, law point. My lord is well about the fact that there is a Whistleblower Protection Act, my lord. If something happened in the society, my lord, if he is in the position, whether he is an MP or a minister, then there is a specific competent authority. Now, my lord, thing is that, my lord, if suppose, my lord, this writ petition is, my lord, dropped, then, my lord, there is a specific bar under section 6, my lord.
No,
There-
you place that.
My lord, kindly open that scope only, that, my lord. Because of that, my lord,
Because the CBI is already
I-
investigating.
my lord, I know, I place, I don't know whether they open that correct link or not. I am not aware about that. There is a, in my writ petition, there is a specific crave leave, my lord. So,
Hmm.
my lord, I praise that.
Where from did you get that voice?
my lord,
From the
it is circulated, my lord, it is circulated throughout the state, my lord.
throughout the country,
My-
throughout the world.
My lord, kindly consider one thing, my lord. One writ petition filed, one victim filed this writ petition. He withdrew that writ petition, my lord, after getting the money, my lord. And he also stated that after getting the money, he gave that money for getting the job, my lord. That is his consent. My lord, he again and again says in various TV media, my lord. So, my lord, kindly see, there is a racket. There is a selling of
Yes, the
job.
racket is being
So,
investigated. Please come.
my lord, so, my lord, kindly open that scope, my lord.
Unfortunately, it cannot be done by this writ petition. Greatest respect.
Peruse the report filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation in a sealed cover, signed by the Superintendent of Police, CBI, ACB, Kolkata on 4th of July 2024. It mentions that the URL mentioned by the petitioner in the writ petition is available in the open source of YouTube, and the contents of the conversation in Bengali was scrutinized, stop. The purported conversation was played and analyzed. Stop. From scrutiny, it appeared that the contents of the conversation available on YouTube are vague and hearsay. substantial information like details of the persons from whom the alleged money was collected and other financial details with respect of the said collection are absent. Stop.
Whether CBI inquired about Ganesh Satra matter or not, I don't know.
Yes, 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 it did. The CBI has concluded that the allegations being found to be vague and non-specific in nature, not backed by any cogent and categorical evidence, comma, the matter cannot be scrutinized any further. Stop paragraph. From the report filed by the CBI, it appears that the complaint of the petitioner at this stage cannot be proceeded any further. Stop. In the event, no, sorry, the job in lieu of money scam is already being scrutinized by the CBI, not scrutinized, but investigated by the CBI. Stop. Next. The CBI shall take necessary steps in the matter as and when further evidence is brought before them. The writ petition stands disposed of. The report of the CBI be kept in a sealed cover with this file.
My lord, may I get a copy of the report, my lord?
May I also get a copy of it?
My lord, may I get?
I think it is not required to be given.
And
Let it be kept in a sealed cover with the file. You can take back this Whistleblowers
My lord,
Act.
kindly make one clarification regarding Whistleblower Protection Act. That is not
That is,
Whistleblower Protection Act, my lord. Because of that, my lord, there is a competent authority. I
Yes.
could make a complaint against an MP, my lord.
Yes,
If
yes.
that writ petition is disposed of, I could not make any complaint. because
No,
the
no, no,
complaint-
that will
So,
not
my lord, kindly
affect,
clear
that
on
will,
that
Acha.
aspect, my lord.
No,
My lord, this is all
This-
about law, my lord. This is all about law.
Disposal of the present writ petition
Hear me for 1 minute. Just
will not stand in the way of anybody filing any complaint under the Whistleblowers Protection
Protection.
Act 2011.
It
It is an open order, it
Yes,
goes
yes.
without saying.
Yes, yes, yes. Grateful.
It goes without saying.
I-